Hi guys, Michael from Makita, and today I've got the new 18V C1 brad nailer, the DFN350. The DFN350 is designed to be ultra compact and lightweight, at only 2.4 kilos in weight with the 6Ah battery and 228mm in length. The nailer is designed to be nice and comfortable in the user's hand. Also, with a well-balanced centre of gravity, this tool is designed for comfortable use and a controlled finish. The rebound force of nailers can cause nails to skew slightly, leaving a poor finish. This nailer, however, features a counterweight balance mechanism which reduces that reaction force. By reducing this force, we can get a higher quality finish as the nailer doesn't rebound off the material, potentially skewing the nail. This nailer is compatible with 18 gauge C1 brad nails and accepts nails with lengths of 15mm up through to 35mm. The nail magazine will accept up to 100 nails and has a nice clear window so you can see when the nails need to be reloaded. Also on the back of this nailer is the depth driving adjustment. Simply scroll this dial up or down if you want your nail to sink in a bit further or you need it to come back out and sit out a bit prouder. In our testing of this nailer, the efficient spring drive mechanism will allow you to shoot over 4,000 nails on one 6Ah battery. That's the new 18 gauge C1 brad nailer. Thanks for watching.